Spin Master Monster Jam Wolf's Head Series 26. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna unbox this here in this video and take a look at the silver edition of Wolf's Head. But before I do, let's go ahead and check out the other trucks in this series. So the other trucks in this series is Megalodon, Kahuna, Gravedigger, El Toro Loco. The other truck, oh man, that is so small. I'm not able to make it out, but there it is. The horse. You'll have to maybe look it up yourself, or you might know about it. It's a casting of the horse, but it's a little bit different because it has some armor on it. There is Max D, which is the true heavy metals of in this series. Then we got the Alien Invasion, and then Zombie, the Grill of Zombie in this series. And Wolf's Head is in Arena Favorites, and of course I got this at Kohl's for $4.99. So let's go ahead and unbox Wolf's Head. Here we go. We got a nice little plastic dirt ramp. I don't know what they're gonna be doing in 2023 yet of something else, a bonus or anything like that. But here it is. Let's take a look at the silver edition of Wolf's Head. Now, it looks pretty neat and interesting with a lot of silver and gray and dark areas of the truck body. Always, this version of a monster truck is very interesting. 3D body. You got the teeth in the front, the nose. You got where the whiskers would be coming out of. And on the other side, so the wolf's head is looking really good here. And then on the back, whoops, out of picture right there, is the wolf's head motor oil. On top, there you have, it says Wolf's Head motor oil, and since 1875, I believe it says. And so, yeah, in this edition, really cool to have maybe the last of Wolf's Head in Monster Jam diecast toy, because I believe that they sold all Wolf's Head and some other names that belong to the independent driver and everything. So I might be wrong. Don't quote me on that one. But yeah, so very nicely done. We got the red wheels, a red chassis, and a black roll cage. I would have rather had maybe a dark silver chassis like this one back here. I like this version a little bit better, more authentic. This is when the Willy Bar edition of Wolf's Head. And then this is the other truck of Wolf's Head that I have. It just has those red beadlock rings around the wheel. Always enjoy having that. But yeah, so here is the 3 different versions of Wolf's Head, and you can choose which one you like the most. I would really like to go with the red beadlock rings, and then have it yeah, black like that, just like this, and then have the white BKT lettering, going with the black roll cage, and then going with this kind of chassis, the gray one, I would say. So there you have it, the unboxing of Wolf's Head. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and I hope that you find it in the stores.